Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Students, I am your class teacher, Miss.Rafiya Anjum, and today I am going to teach you English. In English, today we will learn a new alphabet. And the alphabet is letter Q. Yes, students, the phonic sound of letter Q is Q. The phonic sound of letter Q is Q. Students, the first one is capital Q and the second one is small q. So, now I am going to tell you one story of letter Q. So, listen carefully. Queen, Quincy has a quail at her palace. One day, Quincy falls sick. She becomes very quiet. Koala is sad and sings songs for Queen. So students, there are so many words that starts from letter Q like queen, quail, quiet.